looked divine and happily we shared a glass of wine. But later when I asked if she'd be mine, she slapped me and ran away. In French, the words are beautiful, romantic and reputable. In English, they're not suitable, I've learned. The words are simply untranslatable, although they sound X-ratable. In French, the words are beautiful. Alas, my French ran out of gas. I met a girl in Spain who turned my head. I thought she was the girl with whom I'd wed. But when I asked her would she share my bed, she slapped me and ran away. The Spanish words are beautiful, romantic and reputable. In English, they're not suitable, I've learned. The words are simply untranslatable, although they sound X-ratable. The Spanish words are beautiful. In class, my Spanish didn't pass. I met a girl in Rome who promised me that she would show me all of Italy. But when I told her what I'd like to see, she slapped me and ran away. Italian words are beautiful, romantic and reputable. In English, they're not suitable, I've learned. The words are simply untranslatable, although they sound X-ratable. Italian words are beautiful.